Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable one-hand mode on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on advanced features. And from here, you will find the option of one-hand mode. Now just enable this toggle and enable one-hand mode on your smartphone. After that, you can tap on one-hand mode and from here you can select how you want to activate one-hand mode. By default, it is on gesture, and on this mode, to enable one-hand mode, just swipe down on the home button of your Samsung phone. And by doing that, you will enable one-hand mode. And you can change the position of the screen by dragging this bar at the top of the screen, just like that. Now to turn off one-hand mode, just swipe down on the home button of the screen and you will turn off one-hand mode. And also you have the option of button. And if you select button, you can double tap on the home button of your Samsung phone to enable or disable one-hand mode. Just like that. And this is how you can enable one-hand mode on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.